Hello everyone, this is miscellaneous exercise of chapter 11 and this is question number 18. Find the distance of the point -1, -5, -10 from the point of intersection of line and plane. So here this is line number 1 and this is our plane, and point B, which is the intersecting point of line and plane, and we have to find distance from A to B. So point A, suppose -1, -5, -10, and equation of line, that is vector r is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k plus lambda in the bracket 3i plus 4j plus 2k. So first we convert this line into Cartesian form. So in place of vector r, write xi plus yj plus zk, and this point transfer into left side, so it will be minus. So here x minus 2 into I cap, y minus minus plus 1 into j cap, and z, and this is minus 2 into k cap, and that side only lambda 3i plus 4j plus 2k. Now on comparing both the side, so x minus 2, which is equal to 3 into lambda, y plus 1, which is equal to 4 lambda, and z minus 2, which is 2 lambda. So x minus 2 upon 3 equal to lambda, y plus 1 divided by 4 equal to lambda, and here z minus 2 upon 2 equal to lambda. Since all ratios are equal to lambda, so combine all three ratios, x minus 2 upon 3, y plus 1 upon 4, and z minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to lambda, and give equation number 1. Since this is line number 1, so let any point on this line in the term of lambda. So let any point be on this line. So here b is equal to, we want x coordinate, so 3 into lambda plus 2, and y, that is 4 lambda minus 1, and this is 2 into lambda plus 2. This is our point B. Now equation of plane, that is vector r dot I minus j plus k equal to 5. So convert into Cartesian form. So in place of vector r, write xi plus yj plus zk, and find its dot product. So I with I, j with j, and k with k. So only you will get here x minus y and plus z equal to 5. This is plane number 2. Suppose this point B lie on plane number 2. So equation of plane will be satisfied by this point. So in equation of plane, put this value. So in place of x, write 3 lambda plus 2 here, y, that is 4 lambda minus 1, and z 2 lambda plus 2. So open this bracket. So 3 lambda and 2, 5 minus 4, only lambda remaining, and 2 plus 2 plus 1, it means only 5 which is cancelled out. So here you will get lambda is equal to 0. Now put this value in point. So in place of lambda, when you write 0, you will get only 2, minus 1 and 2. So your point B, which is 2, minus 1 and 2. Now we have to find distance AB. So distance AB, point A, that is minus 1. So 2 minus minus plus 1 whole square, and minus 1, and here y coordinate, which is minus 5. So minus minus plus 5 whole square, and 2 minus minus plus 10 whole square. So 2 plus 1, 3 square, that is 9, and 5 minus 1, that is 4. So its square, that is 16, and this is 12 square, that is 144, and square root of 144, 16 and 9, that is 169, and their square root, which is only 13. So distance from A to B, which is 13. Okay, next question, question number 19. In question number 19, we have to find vector equation of line passing through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to these two plane. So here equation of these two plane, vector r dot I minus j plus 2k equal to 5, equation number 1. Here vector n1, that is only I minus j plus 2k, and second plane r dot 3i plus j plus k equal to 6, and here vector n2, that is 3i plus j plus k. Let equation of line passing through point 1, 2, 3 be. Vector r is equal to, since point here 1, 2, 3, so write I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into vector b, and give equation number 3, where vector B is suppose AI plus BJ plus CK. Now, line number 3 which is parallel with plane number 1 and 2. So, line number 3 which is perpendicular to normal of plane number 1 and 2. So, normal, that is n1 and n2. So, vector B which is the direction of line. So, n1 dot B which is equal to 0 and n2 dot B equal to 0. In place of n1 put this value I plus minus j plus 2k, and vector B, that is AI plus BJ plus CK, and same as n2 it means 3I plus j plus k, and vector B, that is AI plus BJ plus CK. Now, find its dot product. So, I with I, j with j and k with k. So, you will get only 1 into A, after that minus 1 into B and 2 into C. Same as here, 3 into A, 1 into B and 1 into C. And by cross multiplication method, find the value of A. So, when you take A, minus 1 into 1, this one, minus 1 minus 2, this one, equal to B upon 2 into 3, this is 2 into 3, minus 1 into 1, and C start from here, 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1, this one. So, here A upon minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and this is minus 2, B upon 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, and C upon 1 minus plus 3. So, minus 1 and minus 2, you will get this is minus 3, 6 minus 1, it is 5, and 3 plus 1, that is 4, and suppose equal to T. So, here A is equal to minus 3T, B is equal to 5T, and C is equal to 4T. So, put this value in vector B. So, if T is common out, then you will get only minus 3I plus 5J plus 4K. So, from equation number 3, put this value and you will get the equation of line. So, vector R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it means I plus 2J plus 3K, and lambda and T which is also here. So, T and minus 3I plus 5J and 4K. Lambda into T, suppose write only one constant, suppose mu. So, this is the answer. This is the vector equation of line. Okay, next question number 20. Find the vector equation of line passing through point 1, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to these two lines. And here Cartesian form of line which is given. So, first line, that is x minus 8 upon 3 which is equal to y plus 19 upon minus 16 and z minus 10 upon 7. And second equation, x minus 15 upon 3 equal to y minus 29 upon 8 and z minus 5 upon minus 5. Let equation of line passing through the point 1, 2 and minus 4 be x minus 1 upon a, y minus 2 upon b and z minus plus 4 upon c, where ABC is the DRS of line number 3. Since here line number 3 is perpendicular to line 1 and 2, so product of its DRS, it means A1A2 plus B1B2 plus C1C2, it will be 0. So, 3 into A, it means 3A, minus 16 into B, it means minus 16B, plus 7 into C, it will be 0, same as 3 into 8, 3 into A plus 8 into B and minus 5 into C, it will be 0. And find the value of ABC by using cross multiplication method. So, when you take A, then minus 16 into minus 5 minus 8 into 7, after that B. आगे ही बढ़ना है हमेशा, 7 into 3, that is 7 into 3 minus 3 into minus 5. When you take C, 3 into 8 upon 3 into 8 minus 3 into minus 16. So, solve these values and here you will get A upon 24, B upon 36 and C upon 72. 24, 36 and 72, it is cancelled out by 12. So, here you will get only A by 2, B by 3 and 6, C by 6, and take suppose lambda. So, you will get A is equal to 2 lambda, B is equal to 3 lambda and C is equal to 6 lambda, and put this value in equation number 3. So, in equation number 3, In place of ABC, write 2 lambda, 3 lambda and 6 lambda. Since here lambda which is common, so cancel out. So this is the Cartesian equation, x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 3 and z plus 4 upon 6. This is suppose 3 dash. Since this line 3 dash is passing through 1, 2 and minus 4 and its DRS which is 2, 3 and 6. So its vector form is vector r is equal to point it means only 1, 2 and minus 4. So write 1i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into vector b means DRS, direction ratios. This is 2, 3 and 6. So write 2i, 3j and 6k. This is our vector equation. Okay. Next question number 21. Prove that if a plane has intercept ABC on axis and P is the perpendicular distance from origin, then the distance then show that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square which is equal to 1 by p square. So since plane has intercept on axis ABC, so let equation of plane be x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. Since here p is the perpendicular distance from origin to plane number 1, so we have our distance formula, p distance p which is equal to only constant 1 upon under root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. It means x, y, z उसके जो कोफिशिएंट है उनके स्क्वायर के सम के स्क्वायर रूट से डिवाइड करना है. ओके, ऑन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड. सो पी स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज mod of 1 by under root a 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c whole square. Since mod value which is also positive, so remove this mod and square is also positive. And this bracket transfer into right side and this p square transfer into this bracket transfer into left side and this p square transfer into right side. So your answer is only 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square which is equal to 1 by p square. This is our target. Now next question 22, distance between these two parallel planes. So first plane, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 4, and second plane, that is 4x plus 6y plus 8z equal to 12. So in second plane I think 2 is common out, so here you will get 2x plus 2y plus 4z and this 2 and 12 cancel out, you will get only 6. Give equation number second. Let d be the distance between these two planes. Both planes are parallel, so here observe that coefficient of x, y, z are same, 2x, 3y, it means 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. So our distance formula, that is c1 minus c2 upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. So your constant, that is 4 and 6, this is 4 and 6, so 4 minus 6 and divided by 2 square, 3 square and 4 square, 2, 3 and 4 which is coefficient of x, y and z. Okay. 2 square, it means 4, 3 square, that is 9, 4 square, that is 16. So 16 plus 9 and plus 4, you will get under root 29. So this is the answer, D, distance D which is 2 upon under root 29, and option also D.